Hey, my fellow app developers, you already know what ASO is, and you're probably doing a decent job with it. But if you're here, there's a good chance your app still isn't growing as fast as it should. Maybe your app isn't showing up in searches like it used to, or you're getting traffic but not enough installs, or maybe your visuals are outdated, but you're not sure what to test. That's more common than you think. We've worked on ASO for apps in health, fitness, fintech, utilities, and several other categories. And one thing is always true. The best results come from consistent, data-driven optimization, not just a one-time setup. That's where we come in. We don't do cookie-cutter optimizations. We dig deep into your app's category, audience, competitors, and creative performance. We track what's working and what isn't. We test new visuals, titles, and localized store listings. And we measure everything, from click-through rates to install conversion and beyond. We're not here to sell you something today. We're here to help you figure out what's working and what's not. If you'd like a second opinion or a fresh set of eyes on your app's visibility strategy, we'd love to take a look. App Store optimization isn't one size fits all. Whether you're stuck scaling or starting fresh, let's figure out what's next. So if you want to increase the visibility for your mobile app, get more organic installs, and build sustainable growth, let's talk. Hit the button below and let's roll.